Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to enable mentions notifications on Snapchat. This feature is essential if you want to stay updated whenever someone tags you in their snaps. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Snapchat app. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap to enter your profile. Next, we need to access the settings. In the top right corner of your profile, you'll see a gear icon. Tap that gear icon and it will take you to the settings menu where you can customize your Snapchat experience. Now scroll down and find the notifications option. This section will allow you to manage how you receive alerts from Snapchat. Go ahead and tap on Notifications to continue. Finally, we want to make sure you don't miss any mentions. Look for the Mentions option in the Notifications menu and mark it as enabled. Once you've done that, you're all set. Now you'll receive notifications whenever someone mentions you in their snaps, making it easier to stay connected with your friends. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Happy snapping!